Searching for a job, thinking of starting a new business, want to increase sales using digital marketing skills? Then definitely you're at the right place. This course is designed for you. We offer online digital marketing course with 100% placement support that covers vast topic which will help you in reaching your goals. By the end of this course, you'll be confident enough to plan, create, market any kind of products and services. We definitely understand that everything cannot be learned with just pre-recorded videos. So we follow a blended mode of training which consists of live classes, doubt-solving sessions, quiz, pre-recorded videos and assignments which will help you in better learning. We here also guide you in getting free Google certificates like Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, Google Ads Certificate, Google Analytics Certificates and so on. Finally, the important things you're going to learn in this course are as follows. You're going to start this course by creating your own business or product, understanding marketing fundamentals, researching about your business like who are the target audience and competitors, etc. Today, designing skills are very important to become a best digital marketer. That's why here with the help of Canva and Photoshop, you will learn to create your business logo, post, cover image. Once you're ready with design, you will create social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube, uploading all your posts and finally optimizing your account. One more important aspect to excel in digital marketing is to write content for your social media posts, ads and website by researching the right keywords. Next important part in digital marketing is website, because 90% of the customers give leads or make a purchase using website. So here, you're going to learn two kinds of website. One is a responsive website, second an e-commerce website. As a part of learning, you will create your company's website explaining about your product or services with SEO standards. Once you create your website successfully, you will learn about the ads which helps you to increase sales for your business. Here you will learn to create different ads like Facebook and Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, Google ads which include search ads and display ads. In addition to this, you're also going to learn about SEO, email marketing, Google Analytics and many other skills covered in this course. Now there must be a lot of things running in your mind like will I be able to understand and do this course without any prior knowledge? Definitely you can do it, because there were hundreds of students who had similar doubts and have successfully completed the course in our institution and started working in digital marketing field. For better learning, we help you in installing softwares, tools, plugins to create your business. We here also provide hosting space to host your websites live temporarily, and this live website can become a portfolio as well. Attention to those who are looking for placement support. We being a vision-based institution like to extend our placement support by getting you the right job post completion of course successfully. Still having doubts? Then request for a demo session or talk to our support team. If you're done with all the queries and have cleared all your doubts, then go ahead and enroll for the course now. If you're looking for educational loan, we help the students to get educational loan with 0% interest rate from one of our tie-up companies. Join our hands to achieve the vision of 5,000 placements.